Hey, this is Thomas, and today I want to show you a quick and easy solution to build responsive websites within the Greyd.Suite, especially when you want to use columns. So let's jump into the backend and hit Edit Site. So here we are in the backend and we have our column already set up. So first of all, let's have a look in the parent container. Here you can use different enhancements from Greyd, whether it's background element, overlay, pattern, separator, or even animations, but the magic is behind the chart blocks. So in here you see we have, in addition to the standard settings of width, the possibility to work with a 12 column grid. So whether it's your notebook breakpoint or your large breakpoint tablet or smartphone, you have complete control inside the column. So if you want to change the width, feel free to do that. You have as well the possibility to set an offset, or you can change the stacking order, which comes in handy when we're talking about smartphone structures where you want to emphasize, for example, the middle column or something else. So feel free to try it out, build responsive WordPress websites with the block editor, and great.